Assalamualaikum, my name is Fatina binti Maudi. Now for this video, I will present about a structure explanation of the drug cafe application that I have prepared for Lab3. The description covers the primary activity, the secondary activity, and all related XML layout files that define the operational behavior of the application. Each component will be explained in sequence to demonstrate how the application manages user interaction and data flow. The implementation begins with main activity.java, with function as the main entry point of the application. The class extends app compact activity, ensuring access to the Android support libraries. A constant name extra message is declared to standardize data transfer between activities. Within the onCreate method, the layout activity main is loaded and the toolbar is configured as the action bar for this activity. The floating action button is obtained using find view by ID, and a click listener is assigned to it. When this button is activated, an intent is active targeting order activity. The selected order message is added to the item via put extra method, allowing the next activity to retrieve and display the chosen food item. This configuration establishes the communication pathway that connects the main interface to the order form. Three methods are implemented to represent selection of available menu item: show donut order, show ice cream order, and show froyo order. Each method retrieves a corresponding string resource and update the variable M order message, followed by displaying a toast notification. These methods are triggered through the onClick attribute assigned to the image view in the main menu layout. This enables feedback when the user interacts with any of the menu image. The second component, which is order activity.java, receives control when the floating action button is pressed. The intent sum from main activity access and the transmitted message is extracted using getString extra. This message is then displayed within the text view designed by the ID or the text view, presenting the selected item to the user upon entering the order form. The spinner component is initialized to allow the user to select a phone label category. An array adapter is created using array-adapter.create from resource. We load predefined labels stored in label array. The adapter is assigned to the spinner, and the activity is registered as the selection listener using setOnItemSelected listener. Upon selection, the onItemSelected method displays the chosen label to those messages. Next, delivery method selection is managed through a radio in conjunction with the method onRadio button click. This method determines which radio has been activated by comparing the view ID with predefined identifier. Next, the layout activity main XML defines the upper level structure of the main interface. It incorporates a coordinated layout which contains the up bar layout, the toolbar, and the floating action button, and include that integrate the content main XML file into the main screen, separating structure from content while maintaining clarity and organization. The content main XML file displays the application selectable item. It contains three image views representing donut, ice cream, and froyo. Each image view includes an onClick attribute that maps directly to the corresponding handler method defined in main activity. Text descriptions are aligned beside each image through constant layout, ensuring consistent formatting across display sizes. The activity order XML layout defines the structure of the order form that appears after a user proceeds from the main screen. The form contains input file for name, address, and phone, and a spinner for selecting a phone label, a file for notes, and a radio group for selecting a delivery method. Constraint layout is used to arrange this component in a structured and responsive format. at maintaining logical alignment and spacing throughout the interface. So, from Lab3, it demonstrates several core Android development concepts, including in-template activity communication, interactive UI components such as spinner and radio button, and systematic interface construction through XML layout. This component collectively establish the function workflow of the Droid Cafe application. This concludes the formal application for Lab3.